Very good morning. Myself is Dr. Abdul Hafiz. I am expert in zoology. Today I am going to take very important topic of zoology, and the name is called digestive system, and I would like to discuss this digestive system in a flow chart manner. That will be the easier to understand the student, those who are preparing for the NEET entrance exam. Right. First of all, digestion is of two types. One is called intracellular digestion, two types. One is called intracellular, and other is called extracellular. Intracellular occur inside the cells, inside the food vacuoles, and it is known as intracellular. And extracellular occur outside the cells. Extracellular occur outside cells, and it is known as what? Known as extracellulars. The example of intracellular is, what are the example of intracellular is? Protozoa, porifera, solentata and platyhelminthes. The example of intracellular digestion is protozoa, porifera, solentata and platyhelminthes. Protozoa, the example of intracellular digestion is porifera, solentata, platyhelminthes. But so far as this, what you can say, extracellular is concerned, it occurs outside the cell, and the example of extracellular digestion is all chordata. All chordata that comes under the category of what? Extracellular digestions, right? Now, so far as digestion is concerned, digestion is broadly divided into two types.